How to talk to text on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, find the General option and tap on it. Inside the General menu, scroll down until you find the Keyboard option, then tap on it. Scroll down until you see the Enable Dictation option and tap on the toggle switch next to it. A pop-up will appear, tap on Enable Dictation to confirm. Now, to use it, go to any app where you can type, such as Notes. Tap on the new Compose icon to create a new note. When the keyboard appears, tap on the microphone icon in the bottom right. You can now speak, and your words will be automatically transcribed into text. Following these steps, you can easily talk to text on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.